In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your exercise plan using the Bodily app. We go to the left menu in the exercise plan menu item and click and navigate to the exercise plan page. Here we have three main tabs: the sessions, metrics, and trends. In the sessions tab, we see all our current exercise plan sessions, which will be added using the blue button from the bottom right of the screen. In the metrics tab, we will see some overall useful information about our exercise plan. This metrics tab is you can see it across all the pages among all the features, and the trends tab, where we will see all our exercise plans on different days, so we can track our progress or evolution based on different metrics of the exercise plans. In the top of the page, on the toolbar, in the left side we have the day of the exercise plan. In the right we have three buttons, which are also very familiar. We have it all across all our pages. The first button is the change date, which we use it to change the date of the exercise plan. The second one is the copy, which we use to copy the plan from one day to another. And the last one is the share, which we can use to share our page or plan with across the web. Okay, so that's mainly it. And in the trends, we have another button, the funnel, which is used to filter the trends based on different attributes. So we can filter the data we see in the trend. Currently, we see the energy consumption of the exercise. We can choose the energy consumption, the duration, the steps, distance, and points. The duration is the total time spent exercising. Steps are the steps we took in an exercise. Date, the distance, the same, so the kilometers we walked or ran in a date, and the points accumulated in a plan. Okay. And the other one is the interval, which we can so basically this is the range of days you want to see the our plans or exercise plans in the trends. So by default, like every other feature, is the last 7 days. We can choose to whatever we want. So as you can see, everything changed to for the last 30 days. Okay. I wanted to see if my screen is recording. Okay. So let's start adding some sessions. We have three possibilities to add sessions. For the first one is to create a new session from scratch. The second one is to just add steps and distance, so to our exercise. And the last is to add our favorite sessions. So every session we can, if you use it, if you have a session that or an exercise that you do regularly, like walking or strength training or running or something that you regularly do, you just add it to your favorite, and you then reuse it faster than just adding from scratch and searching activities and so on, as we'll see. So let's start by creating a new one from scratch. We are navigated immediately to the session details page. Here we can choose we can set the time of the session, set the session name, some notes, and to add it to favorite, as I mentioned before. In here we have the activities tab, where we will add our activities of a session. So for instance, what does this mean? We can have, for instance, a strength training session, so an exercise that lasts for an hour, and in each strength training session we can have multiple activities like squats, bench press, jogging, and whatever. So those are the activities. In the metrics, the same, we see the overall information of the session. So to add activities, of course, we press the blue button in the bottom of the screen, and we will see the select activities page, where we can add new activities by searching them. We have some standard activities here, a lot of them, and here we have some recent activities that used recently. Okay. Let's add, no, let's choose the first one, bicycling. The duration, 60 minutes. So the duration is in minutes, so 60 minutes. Okay. The I button is for to enable the select mode, right? So currently we to enable the read-only mode. So we cannot select. Okay. So we have the bicycling. Okay, let's choose that one. Okay. Probably it was dismissed. Okay. So here we have our bicycling. So we have here the energy burned. Yeah, if we click on it, we can change the duration. We have the minutes, so the energy burned, and the intensity. Here in the metrics, we also have the total burned energy, duration, and the points accumulated, right? So 70, that's pretty good. And yes, if you click on any metric, we see the information about it. What does it mean? Okay. So yeah, so we can also share our session, and yeah, let's save it. So we have the session saved, and here we have the metrics. You can see that we have this right thumbs down button, which it's intuitive, so it's let us the thumbs up with the green thumbs up button or the red thumbs down button is very useful for to indicate if our metrics are good or not, because probably you may not know across the app if some metrics are good or not. And we see in the trends we have our energy consumption here. And also, yes, so this session we can we have three buttons, so we can copy the session from one date to another, and you can remove it if you want to. Okay, so now here we can see that we can the copy and share are enabled because we have something to share, otherwise these are disabled. So yeah, that mainly it. So let's start to add some other ways. So let's add our walking. So by clicking that, we see this pop up with walking. Here we add some steps, and we can see that immediately our steps are converted to kilometers, and vice versa, right? Let's try 12 kilometers, so you can see they are converted automatically to steps. And the duration, let's say 2 hours. Save. And the working is here. You can see these handles here, so these are used to reorder the sessions if the order matters. And yeah, we can copy. Let's copy to another date, 26. Okay, tomorrow, copied. So let's go back to 25. Okay, let's copy this session to the day after tomorrow. Okay, so copy to 27th. You can see here everything was copied successfully. And yeah, now we have our green thumbs up button, which is good. Yeah, so we can share. So currently on the desktop we just copy the link to clipboard and share the URL of this. On the mobile device we receive some options to share to different applications like Facebook or WhatsApp or Telegram, Twitter, and so on. Basically here you just need to copy and paste the URL, right? Okay, and you can add something from favorites. Yeah, workout. Let's add this workout. Good. So our metrics are updated with calories burned, duration, steps, and distance, and our points, right? So yeah, so here we currently have two sessions, which yeah, I can search for them if I want to. Yeah. So I hope, I think that's mainly it. So I hope you found this video useful, and I invite you to start tracking your exercise. And of course, yes, you can see the overview here in the exercise plan. So your calories, duration, and from today, of course. So from today, not from other days. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I invite you to use the Bodily app. You can find it at bodily.app. The first month is free, and afterwards it's €2 per month, which is a low price in my opinion compared to the other health and fitness and lifestyle trackers out there. Thank you, bye.